Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord Musa Khawula is back and he is giving us gossip that we wouldn't normally get if he was not around. So Musa Khawula wrote, Andile Mpisane and his wife Tamiya Mpisane are with child. Whilst this becomes the couple's third child in marriage, he can't just say congratulations. He just needs to be spicy. So he continued to say, whilst this becomes the couple's third child in marriage, this is to become Andile Mpisane's fifth child since he already had two children with Usithelo Shozi. Prior to secretly marrying Tamiya Mpisane in the basement of the White Mansion, and Sibahle Mpisane had been shocked to death since she also had no idea of the secret seemingly rushed wedding. Okay, why angaqinanga congratulations again? Like, no, somebody needs to discipline Musa Khawula. But with that said, can we say congratulations to the Mpisane family? It is very clear that uTamiya understood the mandate yokuthi mele umuzi wandiswe. Ugirl uyandisa by fire, by force. As far as I know, they've got two girls, right? Meaning Andile has four girls. So maybe, just maybe, they're trying to have a baby boy, and on the point or on the arrival of the boy, they will then stop having children. But also because these people are moneyed, guys, they can have a loads of trucks or a taxi full of babies. They can afford it, unlike us who've got multiple children and cannot even afford to take them to crèche. So congratulations to the Mpisane family. May uTamiya deliver a safe and a healthy baby. But most importantly, may the family stay stronger and their marriage may it thrive. Please do like, share and subscribe. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.